Agile project management has become one of the most important ways to deliver projects in the UK. From technology and finance to healthcare and the public sector, Agile is helping teams work faster, adapt better, and deliver more value. In this video, we'll explain what Agile project management is, why it matters in the UK, the most popular Agile methods, certification options, and how to start your Agile journey. What is Agile project management? Agile project management is an approach built around flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Instead of planning everything in detail from the beginning, Agile teams deliver work in short cycles. These cycles are often called sprints or time boxes. At the end of each cycle, teams review progress, gather feedback, and make improvements. This helps reduce the risk of delivering something that does not meet stakeholder needs. Why Agile matters in the UK? Agile has become widely used across UK organizations. It supports faster delivery, better communication, and stronger alignment between teams and stakeholders. For project professionals, understanding Agile is no longer just useful. It is becoming an essential skill for working in modern project environments. Core. Agile principles. Agile is based on the values of the Agile Manifesto. It focuses on people and collaboration over rigid processes, working outputs over excessive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change by simply following a plan. This does not mean planning and documentation are ignored. It means Agile teams focus on what creates the most value. Popular Agile methods in the UK, Scrum is one of the most widely used Agile frameworks. It uses fixed-length sprints, clear team roles, and regular events, such as sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. Kanban focuses on visualizing work and managing flow. It is especially useful for support teams, marketing teams, and operational environments where work arrives continuously. Hybrid and scaled Agile approaches are also common in larger organizations. These combine Agile delivery with traditional governance, helping large teams and programs stay aligned. Agile certification in the UK Agile certification is a strong way to demonstrate your knowledge and professional capability. Foundation-level certification is ideal for those who are new to Agile or want to build confidence with the terminology, roles, and practices. Practitioner and advanced certifications are better suited to experienced professionals who want to apply Agile in complex project environments. The right certification depends on your experience, career goals, and the type of organization you work in. PRINCE2 Agile or Pure Agile. Many UK professionals ask whether they should choose PRINCE2 Agile or a Pure Agile certification. PRINCE2. Agile is useful in organizations that need structure, governance, and formal control while still using Agile delivery techniques. Pure Agile approaches such as Scrum or Kanban are often better for fast-moving teams that need flexibility and direct customer feedback. In practice, many project managers benefit from understanding both. Is Agile still relevant? Yes, Agile remains highly relevant in 2026 and beyond. As organizations face constant change, Agile helps teams respond quickly, reduce waste, and improve stakeholder satisfaction. The focus is now moving beyond simply adopting Agile. Organizations are looking for professionals who can improve Agile maturity, coach teams, and support continuous improvement. Conclusion. Agile project management is not just a methodology. It is a practical way of thinking, working, and delivering value. For UK project professionals, Agile skills can support stronger performance, better career opportunities, and more effective project delivery. Whether you are new to Agile or looking to advance your expertise, now is a strong time to build your Agile capability. Agile project